Kinesiotaping is getting more and more popular as a taping technique worldwide. Kinesiotape has the unique characteristic and the right elastic properties to lift the skin microscopically. Because of that, there are many proposed benefits of using kinesiotape. 1, it can improve performance. 2, it can decrease pain. 3, it can retrain the neuromuscular system. It also has the benefits of increasing circulation and therefore healing, as well as increasing sport performance. Because of these reasons, clinicians are more likely to be using kinesiotape than they were in the past. Research has become more aware of the benefits of kinesiotape, and you'll see athletes out there on your local sporting fields, as well as elite athletes, such as in the Olympics, wearing kinesiotape. When applying kinesiotape, it's really important that you allow it to stretch. The stretch property of this tape actually provides the benefit of the taping technique. By stretching it at both ends, it actually provides a recoil which lifts the skin, which allows the benefits of the tape. It's really important though that you anchor off each end and don't apply a stretch to the 2 anchors on either end of the tape. I also use kinesiotape as a progression from rigid sports tape. For example, let's say someone injured their wrist. I would use rigid sports tape originally to provide extra support to the area. If I still think that person needs some support, however not as much as the rigid sports tape, I'll use kinesiotape as it provides some support, however still allows the body to naturally move in its correct manner. I also find kinesiotape great for postural advice and retraining. As I'll show in the later video, it can be used to retrain the muscles of the postural system to allow our body to sit in its right manner.